Here's how to convert HEIC to PDF. I now use this app called ConvertSave, which I made with my brother, and it's a file converter for images, video, audio, and you can actually just drag in any file like an HEIC file and then select an output like scroll down, find PDF. So we can convert HEIC to PDF that easily, but there's more. If you drag in multiple, so let's go ahead and exit out of that. We'll drag in a bunch of HEIC right here. So we've got them here, and this is the order I'm going to drag them in. It will create a multi-page PDF for you out of all the photos, and it'll just go first page, second page, third page, all the way down. And so then we go to select output, and we see this other option that says PDF multi-page. So you can make individual PDFs if you were to click this one, or multi-page will combine everything image-wise into one PDF. And you can drag in other images as well. We hit convert, and that's going to give us a multi-page PDF. So first off, the first one we converted was this PDF right here. You can see we just have this PDF, but if we click on this one and kind of preview it, we've got this multi-page PDF with all these images from Hawaii. And so that's how you can convert HEIC to PDF. And also it works on Windows and Mac. I'm on a Mac right now, but this works on Windows also, and it does all these conversions offline, so you don't have to upload your files to any weird websites, and you can combine as many images or HEIC photos to PDF that you want. That's called ConvertSave. You can check it out with the link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. Thanks for your support. I'll see you guys in the next one.